welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a review on the Wakeup and Makeup magnetic lashes. First of all, I want to thank Makeup and Makeup Bellechloe for sending these out to me to promote. I'm very excited to try them. I haven't opened them yet, and we're just going to sit down, we're going to try them on, we're going to try and apply them and see how they go. So if you want to see how these bad boys go, then please keep on watching. Okay, so I'm going to zoom you guys in so you can see. I apologise for having the same makeup in the next 3 videos that I'm going to be uploading. We are currently moving houses at the moment, and someone else is going to be staying in my room for those 2 weeks while we transition. So I'm going to be staying at my boyfriend's and I don't have anything there, plus everything's going to be packed up, and I just decided I would film 3 in 1 because I won't have time, and I do want to keep uploading and editing. So if everything is like a little bit out of whack, or you notice that I'm wearing the same makeup 3 times, well, you understand why now. So I got these sent out to me and I am super excited to try them. I did film this video before, but I didn't get my adapter in time and it was just drama. So this is like the outer packaging, and then they come in a little box like that, which I find really cute. You also get a little applicator, which I will see how to use, and it also tells you how to apply them with this. So we're going to be going off this because I don't know what I'm doing. So these are magnetic eyelashes. I haven't tried magnetic lashes before, but I am excited to try them. So let's see how they go. Let's get our little applicator out. This is what the applicator looks like. It's just like a normal lash applicator. It's a little black one and it's made out of metal, which is good because the plastic ones are a little bit flimmy and shit. But they look like they come on their little magnetic pack, and so we're just going to apply them. Okay, applying with the applicator. It says hold the applicator horizontally and connect each of the top lash strip to the upper prong. So you use the metal applicator like that, and then, alright, let's do my right eye first. So you put the lash inside the metal applicator like so. The only annoying thing about magnetic lashes, you can't cut them because you've got the magnets in the middle on each end, so you can't cut them down to your size. So I feel like that's a little bit annoying, but I'm sure you could probably get sizes, I hope. So as you can see, I don't know if you can't see. Oh. The lash is stuck inside there. And then you connect the 2 bottom lash strips to the prong. See, I thought you were going to have to apply these with like your fingers, and I was like, how are you going to do that? This is smart. So I'm really happy they gave you an applicator, and then you put the 3rd. Oh, they got stuck. Now they're all connected. The bottom lash over here, like that. So they're all in like their little sections, and they're like under the other piece. And then it just says hold your applicator so the prong at the top lash strip hovers above your upper lash line and the prong at the bottom strip is underneath. Okay, and then it says press tongs together and connect the magnet strips. They will instantly fasten and lock on your eyelashes. Okay. Okay, there's one lash on, and I really like the look of them. Wow! They look so natural and nice. It kind of looks like you have eyelash extensions on. I really like the way they look. They are really pretty. The good thing about the magnetic lashes is they've got very bendy bands, so they can fit every eye shape, whereas like with like the stick-on one, look how little this eye looks. With the stick-on ones, they sometimes don't bend, so like I'm really happy with how they look. Let's see if the second application goes the way I want, because the first one didn't. They keep flicking up. They don't want to like stay down. So now they're all on. Like you can see the little stringy bits, they look like spiders. And we're going to try and apply this one in one swift motion without me screwing it up. Did it again. My eyes are just obviously like in a really weird set, but this is so much easier to apply than false lashes, honestly. Okay, that one was a lot easier to put on than the other one, probably because like I think with these lashes, like you just need to practice. Like obviously you're not going to get it in the first go trying to put them on by yourself, especially with like an applicator, but it's easier than like, you know, the glue ones. and look at them. They look absolutely beautiful. Wow, okay, I love these. These are gorgeous. Holy shit. My lashes, when I stick them on, they love to lift up in this bit, but they're not doing that because they're actually stuck to your lashes, so like they actually sit where your lashes sit. So I'm really loving how they look, and I'm loving how fluffy they are. Like, it looks like you're just wearing eyelash, you know, like the actual extensions that you get. It looks like you're wearing those, but there's no glue, so it's not going to ruin your lashes. And wow, I really like these. These are amazing. I honestly thought that I was going to have like not something great to say about them because I was like, magnetic lashes, like but I am honestly shocked. These are beautiful, and like that was so much easier to apply than a normal lash. But obviously I would say it's a case of getting used to applying them and like how they work for you, like applying them for yourself. Like obviously my middle lash is like, hey, nah, I'm not going to cooperate. So like it's just something like that. But wow, I am so happy with these. Wow, I actually really love these. Like, they're really good. I'm so happy with these. I also have a discount code to give you guys some money off. So if you like saving money like me, then please use the code AmberM10, and I will link it down below along with the website link as well. And if you want to buy 2 and get 1 free, then use the code AmberM2F1 and you will get 2 with an extra 1 for free. Again, I will link it all below for you guys, so you can go jump online and get yourself a pair. They are so worth it. I 100% recommend getting them. They are amazing. I love them, and I reckon you guys should get a pair, and I'm gonna save you money. So okay everybody, that completes today's video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you want to see me do some more reviews and some applications, then please let me know below in the comments, and like this video if you enjoyed it. Also, if you want to join my little crew, then please hit the subscribe button right here, and don't forget to turn on the bell icon so you don't miss a single video and you get blessed with me every single week. I will see you guys next week. Bye!